All right, so we're going to be practicing our silhouette of our horse with real paint today. We're not going to do crayons today and pencil. We're not going to draw him. We're going to paint him. So you will have a half a sheet of pink paper. We're just going to do it on a half a sheet of paper. And then I want you to kind of remember our steps. So we're going to pretend like we're going to come to the center of the paper. Remember, we're going to do that capital M. Now remember, it's going to be a little different using the paintbrush. Okay? It's going to be a little different. All right, we got that capital M, and then remember we have that little hump. We're just going to do the contour line of the horse, and then we'll go back in and we will fill him in. So let's just do remember his nose, that hook, and do that hook. His neck, and then remember that hump. It starts right there at that eyebrow bone. Okay, and then we're going to make this neck. Remember that kind of dip down. Now what's great about this contour line is it's not set in stone. We can actually, now that we've got our shapes down, now we can fill it in and kind of look and see where we need to. So if I need to make him bigger, I do the same steps. I just make him bigger. I'm going to paint him, fill him in. Maybe I want his neck a little bigger. This is where you can go in and just kind of fix him. Maybe I want that little dip. That means I need to make his ears bigger. Look how easy this is now with the paintbrush. Remember, you wanted one of those little ears smaller. The one in the back, it's further away. It's going to appear smaller. We've got that eyebrow bone. We've got his nose. Maybe I want to make his nose maybe a little bit longer. That little hook. And I've got this little line or hump, and then I've got this big hump that goes all the way to the back of the ear. Okay. And then this is where you can just kind of fix it, make his neck bigger. And then remember those reins. Let's not forget those. Remember, we were going to come down right at the tip of the nose. I'm going to go back up that little track. I'm going to connect it right there. All right, so we're just practicing the horse. Next week, I'm going to show you a little technique to make the trees and the grass look realistic. We're just going to practice the silhouette of the horse. If you need to, let's say you totally messed up and he's not good at all, make him bigger. Come back, redo the ears. I need one ear bigger. Hump. And you just keep doing this. That's his eyebrow bone. Hump. We're going to come down, around. There's a section here, and then he's got that wide hump right there. That's his jaw. And then we're going to pull this down and the neck. Remember, the neck's a little bit thicker. As he gets out here, it's going to be a lot thicker. That little bump on the back of his head, if you want to add that, just a small bump, you can do that. That's actually connected to the ear right there. Just a small one. You don't want it too big. Okay, so you just keep making him bigger until you get all those curves the way you need them. That's why it's a lot easier to paint him. All right, so you should have something that looks about like this. And then get ready for next week to put down your real deal horse. Now he's going to be a little bit bigger, so just know you're going to have to make it a little bit bigger next week. All right, when you're done with this, please put your brushes in the sink and close your paints. Have fun.